welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. This is my bus for today, going to Kalawag on the way to Manila. I could go to Manila today, but I'm not in so much of a hurry, so I'm just going to get the bus maybe a third of the way, see what I think of that town, maybe stay there one night or two, and then I'll head up to Manila, probably spend New Year's in Manila. So, well, that was 2 months ago for you guys, but yeah, it was, for me it's in 6 days. Well, I made it to Kalawag. The closer we get to Manila, the more of a rat race this place is. I love it, just incredible. I'm told there's a hotel this way somewhere, so I'll just keep walking this way. I'll find it when I find it. Just people everywhere. I thought I was going to walk it, but it was a lot further than I thought with all that gear on my back. So, this is my little room here, guys. 800 pesos, so about $20 Australian, about $12 US, I guess. Yeah, I don't think there's hot water, but that's all right. Because wait till you look out here. They've got these rooms out on the road. That's what I was expecting. And the girl brought me out here. Look at this. Unbelievable. But I'm just going to get settled in a bit. They've got no Wi-Fi, so hopefully I've got reception on my phone so I can have Wi-Fi. Unbelievable, really. Unbelievable. Okay. So I just learned a new scam in the Philippines. They give you a room, but it's only for 12 hours. They don't tell you that. They take a deposit, and then in the morning when you go to leave, they show you the paperwork and say, well, you owe us this much. Luckily I checked the paperwork when I got back to my room. So I was supposed to check out of there at 10 to 3 in the morning. I went back and said, what's this? You know, they said, oh, you've got to pay us the equivalent of $5 Australian, so about $3.50 US an hour for every hour you stay after that. So anyway, I told them no. I said, you got two choices. I'll either leave or we go with the original price. And they just kept talking and talking between each other, and the manager was talking to a guy that speaks English. I said, look, I'm sick of waiting. Went and grabbed my gear, got my money back and left. So I found another hotel. This is in the middle of town. That one was on the outskirts of town. This one's got Wi-Fi and television. That one had nothing. This one's got hot water. So, turned out to be a good thing, guys. But I did do an angry rant at the hotel where I showed you the hotel and told don't ever stay here, but that was just me and my anger trying to get those people to change their minds. But always watch out for this scam. It turns out even this hotel was 12 hours, but at least they told me. They said, oh, that's only 12 hours for 24 hours, it's this much. So at least they were honest. They've given me an air-conned room with hot water and everything, TV, for the price of an un-air-conned room. So these people were really nice, the other people weren't. But look where I am now, guys. Still just as beautiful. So guys, if you are in Kalawag, where you stay, Villa Paraiso or Paradise Villas. I'm just going to have a bit of a wander around, find something to eat. Everyone's saying hello. I love the Philippines, even here where obviously I'm going to have to watch. I'm going to have to watch myself a bit more here, but it's alright. Everyone's still so happy, so friendly, and we are getting closer to Manila, the capital city. We could be there tomorrow, but I think I'll take another day to get there. And, just enjoy this. Well, my plan was to explore here this afternoon, but changing hotels, they sort of took a big chunk out of the day. As you can see, it's nearly dark. So I've got some chicken, some pork, some rice. I'm going to go back to my room. I'll do a bit of an explore in the morning and just do a short trip tomorrow to the next town. It's not worth staying here 2 nights. It's nice as it is. I know I showed you this yesterday, but what a view to walk out my door to. Going down to get some breakfast. Wow, I'm so lucky, guys. Well, I just checked out of my hotel. I know I said I was going to explore here a bit, but I'm not going to, guys. I'm just going to get the bus to the next town, Batangas. That's an actual pretty big city, and I'll spend a couple of days there. Then I'll spend New Year's in Manila. Hello. And the main thing to see here is, if you look, you won't be able to see it on this camera, but it just straight ahead of us at the top of this street is another one of those parks like in Naga with all the statues of all the saints, and it's a really nice view from up there. But we've seen a few views already in this city, this town, sorry, village. But right now the terminal's just up here. I'm gonna go and hopefully get a bus to Batangas. Yeah guys, I love traveling in the Philippines. It's so easy. I just arrived at the bus station. Next bus is in 20 minutes. But I talked about my backpack in the Lombok, so a long time ago in this trip. And I bought this in 2007, so it's old, 15 years old, but look, it's torn here. It's tearing here, tearing here, tearing here. My regulars know how much I hate change, but I'm gonna have to get a new backpack. I do have saddlebags for a motorbike I spent a lot of money on, and hopefully the next trip is Central Asia on a motorbike, so I should be able to use the saddlebags, but I'll decide that closer to the date. You guys won't miss a day. I've got enough videos booked up that while I'm in Australia, or I will have enough booked up, that while I'm in Australia, the Philippines series will just keep going, and it'll just continue on into the Bangladesh series. So you guys won't miss anything. I might do a video or two in Australia, because I told you in a couple of videos ago, our niece is there studying English from Colombia. So we'll probably take her on a couple of trips. I'll do some videos there maybe. But I love the Philippines, guys, really. Look at this. It's always like this, 24 hours a day. Well, I got the bus to Batangas, and so I booked a hotel at Batangas City thinking that's where the bus would be going to, but that's in the south-west corner of the state. I'm in the north-west corner of the state. I'll put a map here to show you what I mean. Now, that's a non-refundable hotel. The traffic, guys, it took us 8 hours today to do a bit less than 200 kilometers. So and it's a non-refundable hotel, so I'm just going to write that off and get a hotel here and spend the next 2 days traveling up to Manila, because this traffic's just atrocious. But look around me, guys, so much going on. Whoa. And somewhere here, I believe, is a hotel. So let's hope I can find it. Well, I got told there was 2 hotels, both half a kilometre in either direction from where I was. So I went that way behind me, and that was an alright hotel, clean enough, comfortable enough, but they didn't have a key to the room. So that would have meant I would have been stuck there all night, or carrying this with me when I went to get something to eat. So I'm walking back to the other half a kilometre, so I'm back where I started from. And I've got half a K this way to go, but we'll find something before the night's out. Morning. Got to cross this road without dying, but today I'm going to Alabang, which is on the way to Manila. And for those of you that have been following me for a while, you'll remember I gave away a drone last year, and the winner, Edwin, was Filipino. Where I'm staying tonight's his town. We're going to have dinner together tonight. I'm a little bit excited about that. Like anything in life, guys, when you're near the end, your body starts to give up. All my friends in mining will be able to tell you that whether you're on a week on, week off roster, a 2 and 1 roster, 9 and 5 roster, whatever your roster is, your body knows when it's near the end. Manila's just up the road, and technically that's the end of the trip. Going up to see Wangod, that's a bit of an addition, but I'm starting to feel it, guys. Looking forward to getting home and seeing Janet. It might be that I was alone for Christmas. That might have something to do with it as well, guys, but it's all part of travelling. I'm still excited, and also I don't like big cities, big rushed cities, so but the traffic does seem a bit better today than it was yesterday, so hopefully I'll get to Tabalang, I think it's called, fairly easily today. During COVID they shut down a lot of the terminals outside of Manila. So we're just standing at a bus stop on the side of the road. There's a million buses stopping, but luckily this lady here is going to the same town I am, so I'll just follow her. And I got the best, maybe the most dangerous, but the best seat on the bus, next to the driver here. Well, this is an adventure through the southern suburbs of Manila in a tricycle. This is my drive here, taking me to my hotel. We're nearly there. We made it, I didn't die. Well guys, this is my hotel behind me here, the Hop Inn. Best shower I've had in weeks, really. Comfy.
Happy New Year.
Oh, thank you, Happy New Year. For reasonably priced for the Philippines, and finding accommodation's quite expensive here. Well, this was about 25 US, so it's not so bad, I guess, but more than I'm used to paying. Indonesia and Malaysia. I'm going to have a bit of an explore, and then tonight we meet Edwin. I think I told you that before, and then tomorrow it's Manila. I've got 4 nights booked in Manila, so I can spend New Year's there. Well, Edwin, who won the drone, and his son are waiting downstairs for me. They're a little bit earlier. I would have been down there waiting for them. But hopefully when these doors open, he should be right there. Right. There they are. Hello Edwin, how are you? Sorry, I wanted to get this meeting on film.
Sure.
There we go. So when we first arrived in Alabang today, you guys saw what a rat race it was, and this is the actual Alabang town centre. What a difference. This is really quite amazing. Edwin and his son, and we're having Filipino food for dinner. Morning. On my way to Binondo, yeah, in Manila. It's right near Chinatown apparently, so I'll be able to eat some nice food. I'm there for New Year's. I've got 4 nights booked, so I'll have a good look around Manila. This is my driver that's taking me there. I decided to get a grab. It's going to cost me about $15 rather than mucking around with the getting to the bus stop and getting the bus and everything. And the taxis and the tricycles here see your white skin and charge you a lot of money, so I'm better off this way anyway. But I'll get back to you when we're in Manila. Oh, I'm in Binondo, where I'm staying in central Manila. My hotel's just around the corner, and it was, with this traffic, it's quicker for me to walk the last kilometre than it was to drive, so I'm heading there now. I nearly got scammed at my hotel, so this is one you got to look out for. They tried charging me for a dirty spot, and I said no, I want to go up to the room and actually see this dirty spot. And when I got there was a towel with stains all over it, but I'd had a shower last night and I had a shower this morning, so both my towels were wet. They were both nice white towels. This towel was old and yellow, so they just put this towel, and a lot of people would have just paid the like 200 pesos. I don't know, I didn't ask what it was. I just refused to pay from when they said it. And when I said, I'm not paying that, man, they said, okay sir, goodbye. So that was definitely a scam, so watch out for that one. And this one, I'm not sure if it's a scam or not, but I've caught Grab all over Asia, as you know, and I've never had to pay the tolls. This guy just made me pay the tolls, so let me know in the comments if I got scammed or not, because I've never heard of that one before. And this is my hotel. Nice little oasis in the craziness of this city, but yeah, no, it seems all right. So let's go and see the room. Oh guys, this city, this is one of the most hectic places I've ever been. But I'm going to Bangladesh in a couple of months, so I'm going to have to get used to cities like this. Well, this has got nothing on Bangladesh, I don't think, but yes, this is it. A few people per square kilometre live here, that's for sure. Well guys, you'll probably think this is stupid, but for me this is pretty exciting, because this park here, I'm pretty sure this is where Luke Dumont bought McDonald's. Yep, here's the McDonald's here. There's the Jollibee over there. He bought McDonald's and Jollibee to compare the two, and he went into this park here and fed all the street kids, which I'm guessing since then they've cleaned this place up, because doesn't seem to be any of those kids. There was heaps of them there before, but yes, this is definitely where Luke did his comparison. Oh, I know it seems stupid to you guys, but it's exciting to me. I keep seeing stuff I want to show you, but I've only just got here. I've still got 4 nights in Manila, and then after I see Wang Hod, I'll be back here again. And I'm pretty sure this has been a long trip getting here, and I'm pretty sure I've got enough footage. So if you haven't subscribed yet guys, hit that Mad Dog icon up there, or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can, and we'll see you in the next one. Exploring Manila.